In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off preload pages for faster browsing and searching in Microsoft Edge. This is a simple setting, but if you want to reduce unnecessary background loading, improve privacy a little, or just keep Edge from preloading pages you may never open, this is a quick change worth making. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This is where most of Edge's settings are located. From the menu, click on Settings. That will open the full Edge settings page. On the left-hand side, scroll down and click System and Performance. This section controls many of the browser's background and performance-related options. Once you are in System and Performance, look for the Performance section. Here, you'll see the setting labeled Preload Pages for faster browsing and searching. This option allows Edge to preload pages in the background so websites and search results may open a little faster. If you want to turn that feature off, simply click the toggle switch next to it. When the switch is off, Edge will no longer preload pages for browsing and searching, and that's it. The change is immediate, so you do not need to restart the browser. If you ever want to turn it back on later, just return to the same setting and switch it on again. That's all there is to it. You've now disabled preload pages for faster browsing and searching in Edge. If this video was useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.